Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at flash flooding in the southeast Minahasa Regency, Indonesia. The floods hit the North Sulawesi Province on Monday the 20th September 2021. The floods were caused by high intensity of rain in the area over a short period of time. The flash floods brought wood and mud materials from the nearby Minahasa Mountains. A total of 3 buildings were washed away during the floods. Additionally, a number of houses were submerged and road access has been temporarily cut off. The incident has raised concerns about the impact of deforestation in the area. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.
Dipangu, nak perang tu gereja, nak tak pulang ini dah kerja ini yuk.